Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all saved passwords from Google Chrome. If you no longer want Chrome to store your saved passwords, you can remove them all in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Next, click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Then select Delete Browsing Data. In the Delete Browsing Data window, click the Advanced tab. At the top, click the Time Range drop-down menu. Select All Time if you want to remove every saved password. Now, check the box next to Passwords and Other Sign-in Data. If you don't want to delete your browsing history, cookies, or other data, make sure those options are unchecked. Once you're ready, click Delete Data. Chrome will remove all saved passwords from your browser. If you're signed in to Chrome with your Google account and have password sync enabled, the saved passwords may also be removed from your synced devices. To confirm the passwords have been deleted, go back to Settings, click Autofill and Passwords, then select Google Password Manager. Your saved password list should now be empty. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete all saved passwords from Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next one.